This video will guide you through the initial setup process. Power on the Eyeviz and wait for the login screen. Once the login screen is up, type the default login information, username tester, and the password 1234. Before operating the system for the first time, there are several settings that should be set in order to optimize performance and usability. Press the menu icon on the top left side, then press Settings. The default username is admin, and the default password is 1234. The facility name can be changed to the local facility, clinic, or hospital. Once the facility name is inserted, it will appear on the output report. The date and time will update automatically once an internet connection is set up, but can also be changed manually from the Date and Time Zone section. The administrator and user passwords may be changed in the Change Password section. The system can require that certain patient information be entered. The mandatory fields may be edited in the default mandatory patient info. The mandatory fields will be shown with a red asterisk on the main menu screen. To disable the selection, simply click on the check mark beside the field you wish to disable. The testing modes for each age group may be customized, though they come with the default recommended set of values. A local printer can be set up through the printer setting. A Wi-Fi internet connection should be set up using the communication settings. If you wish to send the output report to patients, enter the facility email and password in the email settings. Enter your email service provider's name from the options listed. If you don't know your email provider information, contact your local IT support for assistance. If you use a different provider, you can add it to the list by clicking the plus icon and inserting your email provider's name, address, and port. If you wish to track specific patient categories, for instance as part of a clinical trial, you can create your own categories in the Categories section. You can add categories by clicking on the plus icon and entering a group name. Edit your groups by clicking on the section and then on the Edit icon. Click on the Delete button to delete categories. If you choose to display only some of the categories, you can temporarily remove them by clicking on the checkmark button. To change the system's language, select from the list of supported languages in the Language Configuration section. You can add your facility logo to the Eyeviz output report by selecting the user logo settings and loading the desired logo from a USB device. The logo should be 80 by 20 pixels in order to properly fit the report format. You can choose the default reading test language from the Reading Test Settings section. In order to change the visual acuity and contrast sensitivity test methods, click on the Visual Acuity Unit settings. The system default is Logmar and can be changed to other methods in the Visual Acuity Unit settings. The default lock screen time is 60 minutes. You can change it by selecting the duration of your choice in the lock screen settings section. In the Test Completion Screen tab, you can change the screen shown after a test ends to be either the test setup or the test results screen. To exit the settings screen, press the Exit Administrator button.